Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So it's been so long that I was not interacting with you on any video because I was not getting time to shoot because of my job and all. But now I have decided that I will shoot my video on personal on a regular basis and keep on interacting with you daily, at least once a week, like on Sunday. So here we are with a brand new tutorial of this pretty earrings that I have recently made for this wedding season, and this is how they look. So they are very cute and they are very easy to make also. Like you can make it literally in 5 minutes. So and this is how they will look after wearing. So like they are just enough to have a minimalistic look. You need not have any. You need not wear any necklace set after wearing this earring, and they are very pretty. So do try to make these earrings at home, and do try to make this in another color. Like I have made in green and pink shade, but you can try red and blue or black and white, like any other combination to match with your outfit. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make this earring at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making videos like these in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started.
So first of all, we'll take this laria and we'll cut the laria into, you can take scissor or nail cutter also, and then we are gonna add this 0 size pearl bead in that so that our designer bead won't fall. And then we'll add this designer bead. So I'm taking this in the shade of like pastel one, so I'm taking this green pastel and this is how it look. So we will add, and now we are gonna add 3 L'Oreals in this. So you can add more also if you want, but I prefer to keep the minimalistic look, so I am adding these 3 L'Oreals. So you can see this is how it will look. And now I am taking this Kundan, so you can easily get this Kundan in the market in other designs also. So just take it and just insert this in any one like this, and in the same way we're gonna add other 3 colors. Now I'm taking this jump ring, and with the help of jump ring we're gonna add the stud. So we'll find the mid and we'll insert the jump ring here, and then I'm taking this 3 leaf shape stud, and then we simply attach the jump ring in this. Then tada! With this our earrings are ready. These are very quick and very easy to make. So I hope that you will make this earrings at home, and do let me know on which dress you are gonna wear these earrings. These are very good to if you have to keep the minimalistic look, as only the wearing these earrings are enough. There is no need of a necklace. So yeah, do let me know how was your experience while making these earrings and in which color you are gonna make. I have made the combination of green and pink. You can make any other also. So do let me know in the comment below. See you next time. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.